Okay, this is how to make a video private in YouTube Studio Beta in a non-monetized account. I think it's the same for a monetized one. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your video page, which is the second link underneath your icon picture. You're going to go to the video that you want to make private, and you're going to slide over, and you're going to see it's got a thing that says public, and then these are unlisted. This is private. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click this little upside down arrow. This video is visible to everybody. We don't want that. So we're going to go click, and we're going to go here and we're going to click private. Now we're going to go over here and we're going to hit save. Now we just made that a private video. So that's the way you do it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You're going to have to use Studio Beta sooner or later. Even though you like Creator Studio Classic, people don't like change. But YouTube is going to be changing it, and pretty soon that's all we're going to have. So please subscribe to my channel. I've got many videos on how to use YouTube Studio Beta. Thank you. Peace out.